Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Part 1. Validating the service description of a product. Step 1. What does it mean? Validate check if something is correct or acceptable. Service description. Short explanation of what your product or service does. Potential customers. People who might buy your product. Market acceptability if people like, understand, and are willing to pay for your product. In short, ask people if they like your product service before you start selling it. Step 2. Why is this important? To know if people will use it before spending money. To avoid wasting time and money on something people don't want. To improve your product using real feedback. Step 3. How do we validate? Explain your product service, what it is, how it works, benefits. Show a sample or prototype if you have one. Ask feedback. Do they like it? Will they use it? What can be improved? Observe reactions. Are they excited, confused, or uninterested? Decide if changes are needed before launching. Step 4. Example. You want to start a laundry pickup and delivery service. You tell your neighbors, "We will collect your dirty clothes, wash them, and return them clean the next day." Then you ask, "Would you use this service? How much can you pay?" If many say, "Yes, that's helpful," your idea is good. If many say, "No, too expensive," change your price or service. In simple words, validation means checking if people like, understand, and are willing to pay for your product or service before selling it. Part 2. Supplier selection and material management. Businesses need materials like flour, wood, steel to make products. To succeed, they must buy quality materials from trusted suppliers. This is very important for food products because bad storage, handling, or delivery can make food unsafe. Why choosing the right supplier is important. Materials arrive on time, saves money, keeps quality high. Supplier selection process, steps. Find suppliers. Look for both new and old suppliers. New suppliers may use modern machines, cheaper costs. New suppliers can be a backup if old ones fail. Check reliability. Make a list of suppliers you can trust. Request information. Ask suppliers for RFI, request for information. RFP, request for proposal. RFQ, request for quotation. Make contracts. Write down supplier duties and payment terms. Negotiate. Agree on price, delivery, and terms. Award contract. Choose the best supplier. Monitor performance. Check if they deliver on time and meet quality. Purchasing and what to consider. When buying materials, check. Price, quality, reliability, on-time delivery, good reputation. Example. A food company buying packaging materials checks cost, safety, and quality standards. On-time delivery suppliers track record. E-purchasing, e-procurement. Buying materials online using computers or apps. Faster buying, less paperwork. Better communication with suppliers. Inventory control, managing stock. Too little stock, =sign production stops. Too much stock, =sign expensive storage. Two common methods, just in time, JIT. Materials arrive only when needed. Example. A car company asks parts to arrive the same day they will be used. Material requirements planning, MRP. Computer orders materials when stock is low. Example. A furniture shop software reorders wood automatically. Work scheduling, production plan. Master production schedule, MPS. A plan showing when products will be made. Example. A clothing company plans when fabric arrives, cutting starts, and sewing ends, to meet delivery deadlines. Conclusion. By validating your service and carefully choosing suppliers, products are delivered on time, costs are controlled, quality stays high, business becomes more competitive.
Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. What does validate mean? A. To sell a product. B. To check if something is correct or acceptable. C. To deliver a product. D. To buy raw materials. What do we call people who might buy our product? A. Suppliers. B. Competitors. C. Potential customers. D. Workers. Why do we need to validate a product or service before selling it? A. To know if people like and understand it. B. To increase the price. C. To avoid suppliers. D. To spend more money. What is market acceptability? A. When people are willing to use or pay for the product, white heavy check mark. B. When suppliers give discounts. C. When competitors copy the product. D. When workers like the product. Why is choosing the right supplier important for a food business? A. To save money only. B. To avoid delays and ensure food safety. C. To sell faster only. D. To make the supplier happy. If you want to sell fruit juice, which of the following is the best question to ask customers to validate it? A. Do you like this flavor? B. Do you know how to make juice? C. Do you own a refrigerator? D. Do you want to be my supplier? How can a toy company check if a supplier is reliable? A. By asking if the supplier has many friends. B. By checking quality, on-time delivery, price, and reputation. C. By asking if the supplier likes toys. D. By choosing the cheapest one only. If your neighbors say your laundry delivery service is too expensive, what should you change? A. The name of the business. B. The price or the service features. C. The supplier of soap. D. The delivery vehicle color. Two suppliers offer the same material. Supplier A is cheaper but often late. Supplier B is more expensive but always on time. Who should you choose? A. Supplier A, because they are cheaper. B. Supplier B, because late delivery may stop production. C. Both suppliers at the same time. D. Neither supplier. Which of the following is the best example of validating a service description? A. We will deliver fresh fruits to your house every morning. Would you subscribe to this service? B. Fruits are healthy for everyone. C. I will buy fruits from the market. D. Fruit delivery is not possible. Thank you and God bless you always. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.